Let me tell you a secret that most men never figure out, even in their entire lifetime. A woman decides whether to respect you, long before she decides whether to like you. And here's the twist. You don't earn that respect by talking. You earn it in the moments when you say absolutely nothing. Think about that. How you stand, how you react, how you don't chase, how you hold your energy. Women pick up on all of these things instantly, even more than your words. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to win a woman's respect without saying a single word. If you've ever felt invisible to women, or felt like they talk to you but don't take you seriously, this video is going to flip your whole perspective. Before we get into the steps, let's get one thing clear. Women don't respect men because they're tall, handsome, or rich. They respect men who carry themselves like they know who they are. Every man, no matter his looks, age, or background, can instantly become more magnetic by mastering this. All right, let's dive in. Point 1. The silent presence. Have you ever met someone who didn't talk much, yet the whole room noticed them? They're calm, quiet, unbothered. But something about their energy makes people lean in. That's called silent presence, and women are incredibly sensitive to it. It's the difference between the guy who fills every silence because he's uncomfortable and the man who lets silence happen because he's comfortable in his own skin. Women interpret silence differently than men. To them, silence from a calm, grounded man says, "I'm not desperate. I'm not trying to impress you. I know my worth." Here's a scenario. A woman tries to tease you or push your buttons. Most men jump into explaining themselves, defending themselves, or proving they aren't what she said. But the man with silent presence, he smiles a little, maybe raises an eyebrow, and lets her wonder what he's thinking. That moment alone earns massive respect. Actionable tip. Next time you're talking to a woman, don't rush to fill the silence. Take a slow breath. Relax your shoulders. Hold eye contact for half a second longer than usual. You'll be shocked at how fast her behavior shifts. Point 2. Your body speaks before you do. Before you say your first word, a woman has already read you. Your posture alone tells her, are you confident? Are you nervous? Are you trying too hard? Or are you secure in yourself? Here's the psychological truth. Women respect men who move slowly and with intention. Fast, jittery movements equal nervous energy. Slow, controlled movements equal confidence. Think of the difference between a guy walking into a room scanning for approval versus a guy walking in like he already belongs there. Women don't want a man who looks for permission. They want a man who carries himself like his presence is enough. Actionable tip. When you walk into a room or meet a woman, keep your chin slightly up, slow your steps, unclench your jaw, keep your hands relaxed, not fidgety. A relaxed body equals a respected man. Point 3. Emotional control equals instant respect. If there's one thing women instantly respect, without a single word, it's a man who can control his emotions, not suppress them, not pretend he doesn't feel anything, but a man who doesn't lose himself when things get uncomfortable. Here's why this is powerful. Most men react emotionally because they want approval. If she pulls back, they panic. If she gets annoyed, they defend themselves. If she tests them, they crumble. But a man with emotional control? He stays calm. He breathes. He chooses his reaction, not from fear, but from confidence. This is extremely attractive to women because it signals strength. Let me give you a relatable example. Imagine you're texting a woman you're interested in. You send a message, and she leaves you on scene. Most guys start overthinking, what did I do wrong? Should I double text? Is she losing interest? But the man with emotional control? He shrugs. He continues his day. He doesn't rely on her response to feel good about himself. Women notice this energy instantly because they test for it, whether they realize it or not. Actionable tip. The next time you're tempted to react immediately, Pause. Wait 10 seconds. Breathe. Ask yourself, am I reacting or responding? That difference is where respect is born. Point 4. Boundaries without words. Men think boundaries mean saying things like, I won't tolerate that. I need respect. I deserve better. But here's the truth. Your actions show your boundaries louder than your words ever could. A woman respects a man who doesn't stay where he's not valued, doesn't tolerate disrespect, doesn't chase when ignored, doesn't rearrange his life for someone he just met, doesn't break his own rules to impress her. Here's a story-driven example. A woman casually cancels on you last minute. Most guys respond with, it's okay, no worries, even when they're frustrated. But the man with quiet boundaries, he says nothing emotional. He simply replies, no problem, let's plan another time. And then, he stops initiating for a while. No anger, no drama, no neediness, just calm distance. That distance communicates more respect for yourself than any speech. Women instantly notice when a man doesn't abandon himself to gain their attention. It signals, this man has standards. This man values himself. This man isn't afraid to walk away. And that, right there, demands respect. Actionable tip. When someone crosses your boundary, don't lecture them. Let your action be the message. Pull back, recalibrate, focus on your world. That's how alpha energy works without a single word. Point 5. The art of minimal reaction. Here's something few men understand. Women watch how you react more than what you say. If she tries to tease you, if she tries to provoke you playfully, if she tests your patience, your reaction tells her everything. Do you get defensive? Do you get angry? Do you try to prove yourself? Or do you stay calm, amused, and grounded? Women respect the man who is difficult to emotionally shake. Let me paint a quick scenario. She jokes, "You're so quiet. Why don't you talk more?" Most guys panic and try to explain themselves, but a high-value man? He smirks. He raises an eyebrow. Maybe he says something light like, I talk when I have something worth saying. Or he says absolutely nothing, just a playful smile. The silence, paired with confidence, speaks for him. Women read that as, this man is solid. This man is centered. This man isn't trying to impress me. Actionable tip. When you feel the urge to explain or justify yourself, don't. Say less. Let your energy talk. Your reactions are your reputation. Point 6. The power of not needing to impress. Here's a psychological truth most people ignore. Women respect men who don't perform. Most guys try too hard. They over-explain their achievements. They talk non-stop. They brag subtly. They try to be funny every 10 seconds. They constantly look for a reaction. But here's the twist. The moment you try to impress someone, you automatically lower your status in their eyes. Women respect the man who already feels worthy, who doesn't chase validation, who doesn't shapeshift depending on who is in the room. Let me give you a scenario. Two men walk into a gathering. Man A is talking loudly, cracking jokes, telling stories, trying to be the center of attention. People laugh, but only because he's performing. Man B is calm, staying in his own space, observing, speaking only when he wants to, not to impress, but to contribute. Guess which one women feel more drawn to? Man B. Because here's the psychology. Women subconsciously believe that a man who isn't seeking approval already has it elsewhere. That quiet self-confidence is magnetic. Actionable tip. Next time you're in a group, practice this. Speak less. But when you speak, be intentional. Don't rush. Don't force humor. Don't compete for attention. Women will instantly feel your presence more. Point 7. The I'm good either way. Energy. This is the ultimate silent signal of strength. Women respect the man who gives off this vibe. I'm happy to have you in my life, but I don't need you to feel complete. This isn't arrogance. It's emotional independence. When a woman senses that your world doesn't collapse without her, that's when she respects you. That's when she trusts you. That's when she feels safe around you. Let me tell you something powerful. Attraction grows when a woman realizes she can't fully control your emotions. You're warm, but not clingy. You're available, but not desperate. You're interested, but not obsessed. That beautiful balance makes you unforgettable. Actionable tip. Make sure your life is full. Friends, goals, hobbies, fitness, purpose. A man with a full life sends a clear message without saying a word. I choose you because I want to, not because I'm empty. All right, now that you understand the silent behaviors that make women respect you instantly, here's the truth. You don't need fancy lines. You don't need endless talking. You don't need to be the loudest. Respect is earned through energy, not words. And once a woman respects you, everything else becomes easier. Connection, chemistry, attraction, all of it. Before you go, answer this in the comments. Which of these silent behaviors do you think you need to work on the most? Presence, body language, boundaries, emotional control, or not trying to impress? I read every comment. If you got value from this video, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss videos that upgrade your mindset, your confidence, and your entire dating life. Your support means the world, and it helps the channel grow so I can bring you even more high-quality content.